Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Nursing Tricks. I hope you all are doing well and you have watched the growth and development videos, and in the continuation with that videos, today in this video I will be covering the growth and development of a 4-month-old child, and under following headings, that is physical growth, gross motor, fine motor, sensory, vocalization, socialization and the cognition. And if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the latest updates and notification from the Nursing Tricks. Starting off with the today's video, that is growth and development of a 4-month-old child. Coming on to the physical growth, here you can see the drooling begins and the monotonic neck rooting reflexes, they have disappeared. Don't worry, you will get an separate video for the all the reflexes, how and at what age you can see that reflexes and at what age exactly those reflexes disappear. So I will be going to make the video on the reflexes, so don't worry about the reflexes. Coming on to the gross motor, they have almost no head lag when pulled to the sitting position and balances their head well in the sitting position now, and their back less rounded now, curved only from the lumbar area. They are able to sit erect if propped up and able to raise their head and chest off surface to angle of 90 degrees, and they assumes the predominant symmetric position and they rolls from back to the side. So what is the zest of this gross motor that we have seen? The head lag is completely disappeared at 4 months, and you can see that child is able to sit erect if propped up, and they are able to raise their head and chest off the surface, and the angle is 90 degrees. Coming on to the fine motor, here you can inspect and play with the hands, pulls clothing or blanket over face to play, and they tries to reach the objects with hand but they overshoots. So grasp object with both the hands, now plays with the rattle placed in their hand and shakes it but cannot pick it up if it is dropped. Then they can carry the objects to the mouth. Coming on to the sensory development, they are able to accommodate to the near objects. Their binocular vision is fairly well established, and they can focus on a 1.25 centimeters, or you can say 0.5 inches, and their eye-hand coordination starts here. In vocalization, they makes consonant the sounds of N, K, G, P, B, and they laughs aloud, and the vocalization changes according to the mood. If you will see to the socialization and cognition, it is the stage in which the secondary circular reaction starts and demands attention by fussing, becoming bored if they are left alone. They enjoy social interaction with the people, and they anticipates the feeding when sees the bottle or mother, and shows excitement with the whole body, and they shows interest in the strange stimuli, and they begins to show the memory. So the important thing that you should grasp from this particular video is that in physical growth, all this monotonic and rooting reflex, they have disappeared. In gross motor, if you will see that now if you will put the child in a sitting position, they will be able to sit erect and their head lag is absent. In the fine motor, they can grasp the objects with both the hands. In the sensory, you can see now they can focus on 1.25 centimeters, and in vocalization, they makes consonant sounds of N, K, G, P, B. They laughs aloud, and if you will see to the socialization and cognition, they are in the stage 3, that is the secondary circular reaction, and they shows interest in the strange stimuli, and they begins to show the memory now. So this is all about growth and development of a child, of a 4-month-old child. I hope that you will like this video, and if you have any doubt, please do comment. I'm always ready to take up your comment and clear your all doubts, and I hope that you will understand this growth and development. And if you have not, that at the end you will see that I will be making a table that will clear all your doubts. So thank you so much for watching this video.